today this video is going to be me doing a ponytail with this hair that I got. I will leave all the info about this hair in the description box. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I use this hair. The hair is from Organique, however you say it. It was a pack of 3 bundles. It's a master mix. It was an 18, 20, and a 22, I believe. But like I said, I'll leave all that info in the description box below. So yeah, I'm just starting by using this hair, wrapping it around my hair. As you see, I have it in a ponytail. I just wanted to make this video before I actually take it out. And this hair, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it tangled after I took it out. It tangled so bad, and then it sheds a lot. So if you purchase this hair, be mindful of that. But yeah, this was a pretty quick style. So yeah, you guys just sit back and watch. If you guys want any more videos from me, just let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe. I would love that. And I'll see y'all in my next one.